Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to quickly fix lagging, freezing, and common errors on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, in Start menu, search for CMD. Right-click and run it as administrator. Then type sfc/scannow and hit enter. sfc scannow is a Windows command that scans for and repairs corrupt, missing, or changed protected system files, ensuring your PC's core components are intact, which helps fix glitches, crashes, freezes, blue screen of death, and other instability issues by restoring correct versions from a cache. Once completed, type chkdsk /f/r/x and hit enter. When prompted, type Y and hit enter. Then close and restart your PC for the process to take action. chkdsk is a powerful command to find and fix errors on your main Windows drive. It's a deep scan repair command for significant drive issues, including physical damage and logical file system corruption. And that's it. You've just fixed lagging, freezing, and common errors on Windows 10 and Windows 11 with these quick steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.